I've been thinking a lot of the types of videos I upload on this channel and what I show. It's a lot of canvases, you know, painting, murals, which I love to do, but I also draw a lot, just, you know, traditional charcoal, figure drawing, you know, sketching to prepare for a canvas, illustrative work, digital drawing and painting. But there's something, you know, kind of special, almost sacred, not really, but like very traditional and analog, just using a pencil, piece of paper, and an eraser. Something real satisfying about that. It's just your hands and, you know, a pencil, and it's pretty awesome. I laid out actually a lot of my drawings, more recent figure drawings, also random sketches just to show you. I have hundreds of these. I'm a hoarder. I never throw anything out. I'm very nostalgic. I just like to keep it. But just to show you, do it a lot, and I don't have a lot of videos. So today, I'm feeling like drawing a little, and we're just gonna do a challenge, actually. Right and left-handed drawing or sketch. Who knows what it's gonna turn out to be, but I'll try to keep them the same to see how the right and left, you know, how they are together. I'm gonna stop ranting. That's just how I'm feeling right now, and that's what we're gonna do. Right-handed drawing, finito, all done. Took like 30 minutes. This is a super generic face that I draw a lot. It's of no one specific. I didn't use reference, just from memory, putting in the features. It's okay. The eyes are a little close together, but I think I got the values really good, really darks, really lights. And that's pretty much it. On to the left hand with some more charcoal and eraser. Gonna do the same thing. It's gonna be a struggle. Bam, there's the left-handed drawing. I tried my best not to cheat. I didn't cheat at all. Erased, drew, shaded, smudged, everything with my left hand. I got a cramp in my thumb and like my shoulder from just not using those muscles. It was bizarre. It was more aggravating and frustrating than I expected, and it also came out better than I expected. So take that how you will. Clearly this right-handed drawing, better values, better transitions, cleaner. This one, not too shabby for my left. If I didn't show you the time lapses, would you be able to tell which was right, which was left? I don't know, maybe not. Fun little drawing. This took double the time, like an hour, this half hour, really simple. little exercise. Hopefully you'd be willing to try this challenge. If you do upload a video or take a photo, tag me on Instagram. Maybe some people would be willing to try. It was pretty fun. Why not? That's all I got. I'm definitely gonna try this with a painting, so stay tuned and I'll see you in the next one.